The only tool you need for this installation is some rubbing alcohol and a couple of rags. The first thing we've got to do is pre-assemble the bed rug. So turn it upside down, and there's one big zipper that goes all along the outside. Now Hong and Alan are going to take care of that for us.
The bed liner all zipped up, and it comes with a lot of these hook and loop fasteners. We have two longer strips that are 1 inch by 60 inches, and those go at the top of the bed on either end. We have two strips that are 36 inches that go along the sides of the beds, and then we have a lot of these smaller pieces, about 2 inch sections, which go all along the insides of the bed. And the locations for these are marked clearly on the product here with slight indentations that you can see when you're installing the product. Of course, those won't be visible when we're finished with the install, but that'll help you figure out where to put these things. So now that we have all the fasteners attached, we'll invert the bed rug and then we'll install it. So to make sure the fasteners are attached really well to the car, we're going to clean it with some rubbing alcohol. And since this is a brand new truck from Ford, we don't have to do that much cleaning, but make sure you get the surface really clean. So now that we have the bed all cleaned up, we're going to start peeling off the back of the fasteners and attaching it to the vehicle. Now that we got the bed down, we're going to do the sides.
Now don't forget about your tie downs. You need to poke those through the bed rug as well. So just grab a Torx bit, and take this off, and then make a couple of holes, put those bolts back in. Well, thanks Alan and Hong for being on the show and helping out with the installation of the bed rug. That was pretty fun, and you guys did an awesome job.
Cool.
Well, for more information on BedRug, check out bedrug.com, and of course for more episodes of Motors, check out motors.tv. We'll catch you next time.